Good morning, William Williams, Philippines. Hope you've had a good one so far. It is Saturday, June 21st, 2025 at 7:30 in the a.m. Had a fairly busy night last night. Had to try to get a rescue dog to go up the stairs. The lady just had to leave it there and walk, and the dog finally decided to go. I don't know. Nice dog, though. Really liked it. But yeah, some of those rescue dogs, I feel bad for them coming out of real bad situations. But I did get to scratch its ears and it Frenched me. And I had a little bit of an issue with that. I don't know this dog. And with all dogs, what did it eat last? Yeah. It's the hazard with strange dogs. You just don't know where they've been. But yeah, life happens. Could have been worse. Anyway, uh, yeah, I hope everybody's having a good weekend, that it's off to a good one and you had lots of fun with it. Some of you are halfway over with it already. Me, it's early Sunday or Saturday morning, so I still got most of 2 days. It is what it is, but that's okay. Uh, had somebody call and talk to me wanting information about raising chickens, and then got mad at me because I told him to shut up when I was trying to give them the information about chickens. They just couldn't shut up so that I could give them the information that they called me to get. Yeah. Not once, not twice, not three times. 4 times I finally told them, shut the fuck up. Sorry about the language bit. Yeah. Why do you call somebody if you're not going to listen to what they say and you're looking for their advice and you're not going to listen to what them say and you won't give them the time to actually say what you called them to say to you? Yeah. It is what it is. Good riddance. Don't call back. That's a personal issue between your left ear, your right ear, your hard head, and God. Figure it out. Not my job. Not going to sit here and worry about you. And if they call back, I'm probably going to tell them the same thing. And yeah, that or you're a fan. Well, hang on. They get upset with me, rant and rave at me, and then, yeah, and then they come back. They've done this before. So, yeah. But I'm at the point, I just don't care anymore. Call, don't call, don't matter. Flying Fruit Loops are more important, and I don't care about flying Fruit Loops. So, yeah. I get more use out of used toilet paper. It would at least make good fertilizer. Let's see, what else was there? Yeah, I gotta get an extra key made. I don't really like the idea, but yeah, I lost one. Somehow or another, it's not where it's supposed to be. It's probably where I put it, but I don't know where I put it. All this stuff's getting moved around so much that I can't keep track of where everything is anymore. Usually I'm real precise. I put things back where they belong as far as I know. I put them there so I know where they're at. Usually, with everything getting moved around, I don't know. Yeah, it is what it is, though. Uh, it's okay. Oi! Sorry. I am at the end of my day. Didn't get near as much sleep as I wanted to yesterday. Yeah, that's the hazard of my shift. Again, it's my choice. I choose it. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah, I hope the lady with the dog, I hope it goes good for her and the dog. That was a sweet dog. I like dogs, pets, animals. Yeah. And one of my coworkers asked, well, why would they call you about chickens? Oh, had over 20 chickens at one time in my backyard. Had 75 quail in my garage. Had them going for most of 10 years. I might know a little bit about it. Yeah. And all she could say was, oh, and she didn't know. Some people do, some people don't. It's not like I go advertising, at least not now. uh, yeah, I don't go advertising nowadays. I don't have them anymore. And I didn't do a lot of advertising back then. I'd show up and sew a few eggs I had extra and, tell folks, well, do you want any quail? I got extras. Get rid of them that way. And I got rid of a bunch of them. In a way, I do miss it. It was a good little side, they were paying for themselves. And I liked that. And I got to eat fresh chicken when I wanted to. I always had fresh eggs, both quail and chicken. And I always had fresh quail when I wanted it. Yeah, they were paying for themselves. I got to eat free food, and other people were paying for the feed. Yeah. The downside, uh, I had to do a little work, which I do anyway. Yeah, I do miss the chickens. The quail was more work than I really wanted to, but that was because it was inside instead of outside. If I could have set that thing up running outside where I was moving it on a regular basis to be over another bed of some sort, that would have been perfect. But as it was, I was having to take out bird turds on a regular basis and put them into different beds and then chop them in, put the stuff in the compost pile. But hey, I had some real good compost. I had some real strong beds. Uh, yeah, I kind of miss my gardening. I need to find a place eventually over there that'll let me garden, set up a garden, and yeah. It's not like the food over there isn't good food. It's just that I like growing things. I see it more as the challenge of learning to grow something in a new place and getting to enjoy meals that I raised. It's I've had meals come off of my property where everything I ate, with the exception of the oil, the salt, and the pepper, the rest of it came right out my backyard. or front yard. And when you get mileage of 0 miles, because it's not that far to walk back and forth. Yeah, when your meal doesn't travel. Yeah, but I've heard people all the time, talking about how I'm eating healthy. I'm helping the environment by eating organic, brought in from Brazil, Mexico, California. How organic is it if you're shipping it to you? Oh, and I can tell you one of the best ways to, people talk about, a money tree. They wishfully think, I wish I had a money tree. I could just pick my dollars. Yet they won't go out and plant a seed and go out there, tend to the plant, water it, and pick the money right off the food that they would have had to have paid for if they hadn't have grown it themselves. But they don't see it as money. It's just food. So I'll buy it at the grocery store because they're not connected. Yeah. You really want to start growing money, start planting seeds. Seriously. I eat good because I planted lots of seeds. And because I planted lots of seeds, I had lots of veggies. And because I planted lots of veggies, I had lots of veggies. And I didn't have to buy them at the grocery store. So what did I do? I bought the good beef at the butcher shop. Yeah. And I'm still eating that stuff. Hmm. I didn't grow money. I grew food. Saved money by growing food. What was it? Benjamin Franklin said, "Penny saved is a penny earned." Well, plant a seed, earn $1. Just saying. You might want to take and step up and do. But hey, everything's a choice. Figure it out for yourself. It is up to you to choose what you do with you. And one of the best things you can do to improve yourself is make sure you eat good. So raise food. Because I can guarantee you, you know what's on your food if you plant it. You don't know what you're getting from the grocery store because, well, who sprayed what on and when was it picked and brought to you, and what was stuck to it when you got it? Seriously? Anyway, this is William Williams Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you do. More food, more friends, more family, and again, more food. Make the choice. It's up to you. Grow something. I'm Fish. Bless you. Later. Bye bye. Fish out.